guys, how are you doing all? I hope you guys are doing well and you all are safe. And hi, my name is Bhavna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see, I'm wearing all this comfy look today. It's because I'm going to be trying out some Pinterest fashion hacks. So मैंने कुछ फैशन हैक्स Pinterest में ना सेलेक्ट किया है just to see like whether this works or not, and yeah, I just thought of like doing it in front of the camera for you guys so that you know अगर वो काम नहीं करते तो you don't have to try it anyways. And for most of the hacks you guys need a scarf because मैंने ज़्यादातर hacks वही सेलेक्ट किए जिसमें scarf है because I just wanted to try it out. like मेरे पे scarf है and वो किसी काम का नहीं हो रहा था तो इसलिए मैंने देखने को try किया है. And also before heading to the video, I just wanted to talk about these two products which I have recently got from Mamaearth and I have added it to my skincare routine. This is Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash. The first step towards a skincare routine is always cleansing or washing your face. That helps you to eliminate the excess oil and lethargy from your face. It has vitamin C and turmeric that has brightening properties and give your skin a natural glow. Along with that, it has aloe vera that deeply moisturizes the skin while boosting blood flow. This face wash is suitable for all the skin types. In case you have an oily skin, you guys can use this face wash because it retains moisture and control excess oil and helps fight free radical damage. It brightens my skin and gives my skin a very natural glow, so I really like this thing about this product. The other thing we have is this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes face cream for uneven skin tone. BB face cream has mulberry extract, daisy flower extract, licorice extract and vitamin C. In case you have an uneven skin tone just like me, then I might suggest you to use this cream because as the name itself suggests, Bye Bye Blemishes, it is really helpful in removing the dark spot, patches and hyperpigmentation from your skin, thereby offering you an even skin tone. The best thing about this cream is that it provides non-greasy glow, and with that it gives you a soft and glowing skin too. This cream is again free from harmful chemicals, toxin, paraben and silicone. And Mamaearth is an Indian plastic positive brand. All the products are free from harmful chemicals and all natural. And not only this, every time you buy from their official website, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and the exact geolocation and the species would be sent to you. Recently, they have also launched their official app so that users can get early access to sales and discounts. And I'm going to be sharing the link below on my description box all for the products thing. And now let's just get into the video. So I'm going to be sharing the screen recording here so that तुम लोग भी देख लो कि मैं कौन सा hack try कर रही हूँ. So this is the first hack I'm going to try, and इसके लिए you need a scarf again. This is so creative, like बहुत ज़्यादा creative है क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक ये है किसी को try करते हुए नहीं देखा है. Oh, this looks so cool, right? And मैंने ज़्यादातर hacks वो यूज़ सेलेक्ट किए हैं जो बहुत easy से है, simple से है, जो ज़्यादा complicated भी ना हो क्योंकि complicated वाले और ज़्यादा tough हो जाते हैं, so इसलिए. So this is the scarf I'm going to use right now, and मैं इस scarf के बारे में बात कर रही थी. ये मैंने scarf कब से खरीद के रखा है and अभी तक मैंने इसे यूज़ नहीं किया है, so finally it's time मैं इसे यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. And if you want to know where I got this scarf from, it was from Amazon only. So let's do the hack. So I'm just going to tie this out. Like this. And अब इसको हम पीछे कर देंगे. अब ये जो इसका आगे का है ये आगे आ जाएगा. अच्छा ये और पीछे होगा. ठीक है. So this is how this looks so nice. Okay, I don't have any ring right now, so मैं rubber band use करूँगी अभी के लिए. I'm just going to put the rubber band over here and I'm इसे tight कर दूँगी. So this is how this looks right now, and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है काफ़ी सही जा रही हूँ मैं अभी तक. तो उसके बाद जो ये नॉट जा रही है ना पीछे, उसको इसने इस वाले नॉट के साथ बांधा है, तो आई एम गोना डू दैट. एंड यू नो मेरा स्कार्फ थोड़ा सा छोटा है, उसका बड़ा सा था तो उसको इजीली उसने बांध दिया। मेरे को काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है पीछे बैक तक जाके से पहनाने के लिए। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टाई इट आउट नाइसली एंड विल सी यू देन। Just look at this. Oh my god, this looks so pretty and ये एकदम टॉप के जैसा लग रहा है. Just look at this. This looks very very beautiful. I seriously didn't expect कि ये इतना अच्छा लग जाएगा. Just look at this. And you know ये बिल्कुल भी ख़राब नहीं लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा decent लग रहा है. I don't wear scarf as a top is because कि you know मेरे को इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता कि मैं उसे पहन कैसे पाऊंगी, बट आई एम गोना ट्राई आउट दिस बिकॉज दिस लुक्स रियली रियली गुड। एंड ये हैक इतना ज़्यादा सिंपल सा था, लाइक तुम्हें बस एक नॉट यहाँ पे टाई करना था एंड एक पीछे पे, एंड दैट्स इट। एंड उसके बाद you are getting this result, so this is totally worth it. So now again I'm going to try out another hack with this scarf only. So this is the hack. This looks nice, but I'm not sure about this thing over here. Like I just hope ये ज़्यादा शो ना करे. So let's see how it looks. उसने स्कार्फ को ऐसे ट्रायंगल में शेप में कन्वर्ट किया. उसके बाद ठीक है, उसके बाद she did it like this. So उसके बाद उसने ऐसे करके किया था एंड यहाँ पे उसने पिन लगा दी थी. So I just pin up the whole thing and guys, this is how this looks. एंड यार ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. लाइक उस वीडियो में थोड़ा सा वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा उस पर क्लेवर्स दिख रहा था, सो आई डिडंट वांटेड इट टू बी लाइक दैट. तो इसलिए मैंने इसे थोड़ा अच्छी तरीके से कवर कर लिया. लाइक ये बहुत ईजी था, आप इसको अपने हिसाब से ना कवर कर सकते हो. एंड दिस हैक वॉज वेरी वेरी ईजी अगेन, क्योंकि आपको बस पीछे एक नॉट बांधनी थी एंड एक यहाँ पे पिन लगाना था. दैट्स इट एंड just look at the result. And I'm loving this thing ना कि it's looking like a top only. Like ये बहुत easy था and ये एकदम alternate top बन गया so easily. Like I loved it. Okay, again I would rate this hack 10 on 10. So yeah, like अभी तक हम अच्छे से जा रहे हैं. I just hope आगे भी अभी तक सब अच्छा ही हो. And I love this one. So I just changed myself into this t-shirt because the next style we are going to try is this. Okay, this is one of the most viral fashion hacks because जब ये hack आया था तो हर कोई ये hack try कर रहा था and मेरे से हो ही नहीं पा रहा था. So I'm going to try it again today and let's see. So for that I'm going to use this cami top, and for people who want to know from where I got this cami top, I got it from H&M. And I bought this t-shirt because मैं इसको ऐसे bra, I didn't wanted it to wear it in that way, so मैं इस t-shirt के ऊपर स्टाइल करूँगी. So what she did was इसको हम यहाँ से ऐसे लाएंगे, ठीक है, and this is how it is. So now I'm just going to wear it. Okay, so this is how this looks and I really liked it. Like I just like this thing now. This looks really cute, but again as I said, I'm not sure of wearing it without this t-shirt, so that's why I tried out this in t-shirt only. So if you are you know comfortable and you are like bold enough, you can wear it like that also. So this is how it looks from here, and this is looking really really pretty and cute, and पीछे से it's looking like this. So I really love this hack. Like I always wanted to try out this, and you know what, ये आज पहली बार मेरे से हो पाया. इससे पहले I have tried this hack out like 1000 times, but ये कभी नहीं हो पाता था, and finally it happened and I guess I'm liking it. Like if you're not comfortable enough wearing it without this t-shirt, then you can actually wear it above this t-shirt, or you can actually wear it above a dress also. It would look really really cute just like this. Now I'm going to try out this hack. like ये भी मैंने बहुत बार देखा है, बहुत लोगों को देखा है, but I have not tried it yet. So लेट्स ट्राई इट. ये काफ़ी सही भी लग रहा है, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, शर्ट को हम एक ही टाइप से पहन के हम भी बोर हो जाते हैं. सो लेट्स सी कैसा लगेगा प्रैक्टिकली. अभी आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस शर्ट ओनली बिकॉज मेरे को प्लेन वाली शर्ट मिल नहीं रही है, एंड ये शर्ट इतनी बड़ी नहीं है, सो मैं इसलिए इसको ज़्यादा नीचे तक बटन नहीं लगाऊंगी. एंड नाउ हम इसको ऐसे कर देंगे पीछे को and rubber band बांध देंगे. So this is how this hack looks, and I guess it's a very simple one. Like ये इतना ज़्यादा भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, काफ़ी सिंपल सा है, but इट्स फाइन. लाइक अगर तुम्हें एक शर्ट से तुम बोर हो गए हो एंड तुम्हें अलग अलग तरीके से पहनना है, देन यू कैन एक्चुअली ट्राई दिस थिंग ऑल्सो. आई थिंक अगर प्लेन शर्ट होता ना उस पर ज़्यादा लुक अच्छा लगेगा दिस चेकर बोर्ड वाले से ज़्यादा. But other than that, it's a nice one, and I would actually rate this hack 8 out of 10 because this looks very simple to me. So yeah. So guys, these are all the hacks that I had chosen for this video, and अगर तुम लोग पे अलग कुछ idea है then you can actually share it with me. Like feel free to reach to me. And also this was all for today's video. I hope you people found this video useful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button, and I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.